everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I wanted to take you along through my day and show you what I eat during the day. It's currently something in the morning. I slept in because I have to stay at home anyway, so I stay up late. Not because I have the virus, it's just a lockdown. So I'm not really hungry this morning, which is kind of weird because I usually always have to eat in the morning, otherwise I feel sick. So I'm just gonna have a coffee today, and then yeah, just gonna take you along through my day. So I've got my coffee and let's just ignore those nails. I can't go because we're in lockdown. Anyway, I'm just gonna sit outside on my balcony and just enjoy the morning and just wake up. And I think after I had my coffee and after I woke up a little bit more, I am going to do a workout and film another video, and I think after that I'm going to tune back in because I think I'm going to cook something to eat then. So see you later. Okay, quick update. Plans changed and I am going out with my mum to get some flowers. I know we're not supposed to go out very much, but we're still allowed to go to the shops, so we're going to pick up some flowers, do a garden because currently it's a mess, and then I'm going to have my workout, then I'm going to film, and then I'm going to make something to eat. And I also have to pop into the shops to get something to eat. So I've been shopping, as you can tell, and I've got some spread, some baguette, some milk, some cereal, toilet paper, quinoa, strawberries, zucchini and some chicken. And I've also got a little plant ladder, so I'm really excited about all this. Oh, and some little glasses. So sweet. So that's the ladder. I think it's so cute. Excuse the messy floors, I'm just cleaning out everything, but I think it's so sweet. And that's my lemon tree growing up high. Yeah, so that's how it looks. Okay, so I'm done with my workout. We had this beautiful lunch, it was really nice, and I just quickly wanted to hop into the shower and maybe sunbathe after that and write down some video ideas, but I'm not quite sure yet because, you know, I have plenty of time at the moment, and yeah, so I think I'm going to relax a little bit after that. But first, I really need a shower because I'm sweating. So I'm out of the shower, I've got my bikini on and I've still got my hair, but I'm gonna let it air dry today. I'm gonna sunbathe a little bit or sit outside, and then I'm gonna collect some video ideas while doing that, be a little bit productive. I'm gonna tune in back later. So it's been a couple of hours and I sunbathed, I done an exercise as I told you, I've done a bit of brainstorming, and I watched a bit of television with my boyfriend, and I'm currently very tired, so I'm just gonna do a little lunch, a little dinner, because we had a good lunch, so maybe a fruit salad or anything fruity. So I'm gonna tune back in, and then I think I'm gonna call it a night. Okay, so I didn't really finish my fruit, but I think I'm still gonna do that. And other than that, that's what I've been eating today. It always depends. Sometimes eating different stuff, obviously, but I eat more, I eat less. So it always depends on which mood I am in, and you know, basic stuff. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, maybe give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, maybe follow me on my Instagram at Robson. I'm gonna blend it in as always, and as always link it down below. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video, and until then, I hope you're having an amazing day and an amazing week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.